Welcome to A Joe's Life. We're going to the Grand Ave Arts, you guys. First stop, the Metro Art Bus. These photos were created by artists that were inspired by the everyday passenger.
They turned it into art.
That's so
Each
cool.
artist. This guy's really famous. Sam
Pace.
But that's not. Go ahead, honey. That's.
It's a video. Pretend to be a bus driver. Whoa.
Stop that.
Not stop that.
Stop that.
Next stop, Family Art Workshop. We're supposed to make a portrait of ourselves and use multiple layers. Hey. So this is my artwork. It's a self-portrait of myself. I'm a purple unicorn. There goes my mom. Oh. Little T, show yours. And then there goes my sons. Patrick, show yours. And then there goes my brothers. Hey! Art workshop, y'all. Oh, man. Hold on. Ugh, why you want to talk to me while I'm recording? As you see, we're at MOCA, and they have this really cool machine where you could take a picture of your art. Yes, queen, yes, pose for me, yes, the angles, the angle. Now we're checking out the museum. This is cool. Oh, this is really cool. Oh my gosh. This is the kind of work I want to do. Oh, but maybe not these colors because I don't really like warm colors. And this is so beautiful. I want to cry. And then it's on mirror. I love the mirror. I wonder if this is glass. This is... Right, this is... No, it's not.
It looked real.
I know. Right, I'm too close.
It's like the garden went wrong.
She says that it's actually artificial. Is that right?
Yeah, I could tell. I could tell. This is beautiful.
I think it looks like totally real work.
Final stop, Walt Disney Hall. That is so gorgeous. And then they got like different random. Thank you for watching A Joe's Life.